Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're holding Cardano on Coinbase Wallet and want to move it over to Uphold, you're in the right place. In this quick guide for 2025, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just brushing up on your skills, this will make things super straightforward. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both your Coinbase Wallet and Uphold accounts set up and verified. This is crucial for smooth transactions, especially with the updated security features in 2025. Start by opening the Coinbase app or website and logging into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and select your Cardano holdings. You'll see an option that says, Send or Withdraw. Click on that to get started. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. In the TP field, paste your Uphold wallet address for Cardano. Double-check this address to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Also, keep an eye on the network. Cardano uses the Cardano blockchain, so select that if prompted. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated total before confirming. After that, review the transaction summary. This will show you the details like the amount, fees, and final recipient. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor authentication for added security. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. In 2025, with faster networks, this might only take a few minutes, but always wait for at least a couple of confirmations. Head over to your Uphold account to verify the deposit. You should see your Cardano arriving shortly. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Cardano from Coinbase to Uphold. A quick tip. Always monitor your transactions on a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. If you run into any issues, Coinbase and Uphold have great support resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a like, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.